Everyone, and welcome to Jenny's, aka the Crazy Country Couponer. And I've got you a couple of last minute scenarios for your Saturday shopping. Yeah, and you know you want to know. So come on in and like and share the video on your way. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, welcome. Let's get you fixed up. Look below and hit the subscription button and that notification bell. Let's just do it right now. That way, next time you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information that we share almost every day. And please, everybody, leave an emoji or a comment. It really, really helps the channel and helps other people because more people get to see us and save money just like you. Alright, guys, what do we have? I gave you a lot of things this week. We've talked about free candy. Goodness gracious, what else we talked about? Earning money for food. A lot of different food items. But mostly this week we've talked about food. So I'm going to give you a scenario or two with a mixture of a little bit of food or beverages and those things that we still use every day that we like saving our money on. So let's talk about this deal right here. Because you got fur babies, I mean, we're going to save you some money on some dog food. And that was always something that I looked forward to doing when I had my dog. Okay, let's talk about what we got going on. Okay, let's talk about the Suavitel dryer sheets. These are on sale for $1.95, and we've got two different dollar coupons. So we're going to pick up two of them. And they're going to go from $3.90 to $1.90. And then we're going to pick up the Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush. Good filler. Now, we're going to pick up some Purina Beneful Dry Dog Food. The 12-pound bag is normally $16.25. We're going to pick that up. Now, I want to show you. Now, this has a cash back coupon for $3. Alright? Now, it also has a save $3 coupon for the Beneful. Okay? And it also has buy one bag of Beneful and get one of the little Beneful soft ones for free. And it is right here. Okay? These are the two deals that applied. They stacked together. So we got the Beneful dry dog food, and we're getting our little free individual. And we've got our Beneful 12-pound bag and saving our $3 on that. Now remember I told you if there's more than one item to a coupon that the earn should kick in? Well, you got a $3 earn on this that should kick in, okay? Then we're going to add 4 of the Beneful Incredible Patés for small dogs. And even if you got big dogs, this is a great additive to their dog food. A little bit of extra flavor. You're going to pick up 4 of those because we've got 2 coupons and a sale going on, making these items go from $7.80 to $2.41. Yes, a winner deal. Now, our subtotal here is $28.95. And our coupons are $13.14. That is without our 5 off, okay? When we add our 5 off 25 to this, it's going to make our coupons $18.14. And our subtotal right now is $15.81. After our coupons, we're going to take away $5 more. That means our out-of-pocket is going to be $11.81 for these dryer sheets, the toothbrush, the $16.25 bag of dog food, and 4 individual dog foods. And on top of that, it being $11.81, you're going to get $3 in earns back, which is going to make that like $8.81 out of pocket. And that's a winner chicken dinner because it is less than your biggest item on here, which is your Purina dog chow. It would be like purchasing that and getting everything else absolutely free, guys. So that is that scenario. If you got fur babies, or yeah, and you need dog food. Now, my next scenario is a mixture of paper goods. We're going to do the Cottonelle, $5. We've got a $2 coupon. Now, this is unusual for Cottonelle. Do you have a $2 coupon off a $5 Cottonelle? So let's definitely take advantage of this. We've got this $2 Bounty coupon that is actually attaching to the $5.60 Bounty Essentials. Now we're going to use, in this one, just one of the Suavitel dryer sheets, 2 Febreze products for the $3.30. And it can be small spaces, it can be air effects, and it doesn't have to be gain scent, okay? Because we're not doing any kind of gain deal. So 2 of the Febreze products. I'm sorry, there is 2 Suavitel in this transaction. So 2 packages of the Suavitel dryer sheets. We're going to do the Oral-B toothbrush. We're going to do that Folgers 7-count instant coffee using that 75-cent coupon. And we're going to use a Suave $2.65 deodorant. Now, on the Suave deodorant, you've got a store coupon that will attach to this. You get $2 off when you spend $6. If you wanted to do $6 in deodorant, and yes, it's going to put you over, but you'll save $2.50 off of a $6 purchase, okay? So that choice is up to you. But with just the one Suave deodorant, we're looking at $26.05. And with all of our coupons and our 5 off 25 coming off, it's $16.58 or $10.63 out of pocket for 9 items. That's a winner chicken dinner because you got paper towels. You know how I feel about my paper towels, guys. It's like purchasing the toilet paper and paper towels and getting everything else absolutely free. Okay, next and lastly, we're going to pick up the Folgers coffee. Now, if you have both of these coupons clipped like me, you're going to have to get both of these, okay? You'll have to get the 7-count instant and the 1075 Folgers. And it's not no big deal because you'll just be paying 25 cents for the instant. And that will be your emergency stash. And then you're going to pick up the Bounty paper towels, some Febreze Air, and then this buy one, get one International Delight Creamer, any flavor. You're going to pick up 2 of those. That's going to be $8, and you get a $4 digital coupon. You were at $30.95. Yes, you're over. Okay? Which means if you don't want the paper towels, you can take the paper towels off. But I think the out-of-pocket of this is more than worth what you're spending. So you're at $30.95. Your coupon's coming off is $17.25. That leaves you an out-of-pocket of $13.70 for 6 items. And I think that's a winner chicken dinner kind of deal. Considering your coffee and your Bounty, your out-of-pocket is less than your coffee and your Bounty, which means your Febreze and your creamer is pretty much free. So there you go, guys. Last minute deals to help you out. If you have not watched our previous videos, it is all about some food items. You want to go check those out. And let's make sure you get that emergency food stuff, okay? At least one emergency food item, whether it be just a container of ionized salt. That is one of those items that we cannot live without. So even if it's just that. So blessings, and we'll talk again real soon.